Did you know that over 50% of new gun owners in 2025 are choosing .380 pistols over 9mm for concealed carry? The reason might shock you. These compact powerhouses are redefining self-defense by offering unmatched ease of use, lightweight designs, and surprising stopping power. Stick around, because we're about to uncover the features that make each of these pistols a standout choice. Let's dive into the top 5 best .380 pistols in 2025. 5. Sig Sauer P238. The P238 is a micro-compact masterpiece that brings a touch of elegance and precision to the .380 concealed carry market. With its all-metal frame, the P238 exudes a sense of durability and quality. Its 1911-style single-action-only trigger is crisp and consistent, giving you an edge in accuracy, while the slide operation is remarkably smooth, even for those with weaker grip strength. At just under 15 ounces, the P238 strikes the perfect balance between lightweight portability and solid construction, making it a reliable companion for everyday carry. This pistol also stands out for its night sights, which come standard on many models. Whether you're in a low-light situation or just looking to practice your aim after dusk, these sights ensure quick and clear target acquisition. The P238 is also highly customizable, with a variety of grips and finishes available, so you can find a version that matches your style. With options ranging from classic black to eye-catching rose gold or engraved stainless steel, it's not just a firearm, it's a statement piece that can reflect your personal taste. In addition to its aesthetic appeal, the P238 boasts impressive reliability, earning praise for its consistent performance at the range and in real-world scenarios. It's easy to disassemble for cleaning, and its robust design ensures minimal wear over time, even with frequent use. The Sig Sauer P238 comes with a premium price tag, typically ranging from $650 to $800, depending on the model and finish. While it may not be the most budget-friendly option, its superior craftsmanship and performance justify the investment for those who prioritize quality, reliability, and a touch of style in their concealed carry firearm. 4. Kahr CW380. Compact, lightweight, and remarkably discreet, the CW380 is a favorite for those seeking deep concealment without sacrificing functionality. Measuring less than 5 inches long and weighing just over 10 ounces, this pistol virtually disappears when carried, whether in a pocket holster, purse, or ankle rig. Its compact size is ideal for those who want to maintain a low profile while still having a reliable self-defense option readily available. Despite its diminutive size, the CW380 doesn't compromise on build quality, offering a stainless steel slide and polymer frame that ensure durability and lightweight handling. This combination of features makes it an excellent choice for both casual carriers and those seeking a reliable backup weapon. One of the standout features of the CW380 is its smooth double-action-only trigger, which is one of the most user-friendly in its class. Its intuitive controls and minimal recoil make it a pleasure to shoot, even for individuals with limited experience or smaller hands. The pistol's simplistic yet effective design emphasizes ease of use, allowing for quick operation in high-pressure situations. While its small size means it has a limited capacity of 6 rounds in the magazine, plus 1 in the chamber, this is a reasonable compromise for an ultra-concealable firearm. Optional extended magazines are available for those who wish to improve the grip and increase round capacity. The Kahr CW380 is one of the more affordable options in the .380 category, with prices typically ranging from $350 to $400. Its affordability doesn't detract from its performance, as the CW380 consistently delivers reliable results at the range and in real-world scenarios. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly concealed carry option or a dependable backup gun, the CW380 offers excellent value. Its no-frills approach makes it a trusted companion for everyday carry, while proving that effective personal protection doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. 3. Smith & Wesson MP Bodyguard 380. The Bodyguard 380 is designed with personal protection in mind, making it a go-to choice for individuals looking for reliability and ease of use in a concealed carry firearm. This lightweight and compact pistol boasts a polymer frame and stainless steel slide, ensuring enhanced durability for daily use. Its sleek and modern design allows it to fit seamlessly into a variety of carry options, including waistband holsters, ankle holsters, or even compact purses. This flexibility makes it an excellent option for a wide range of users. On top of that, the integrated laser sight on some models is a standout feature, providing an added level of precision and confidence in self-defense scenarios. The double-action only trigger on the Bodyguard 380 ensures a consistent and smooth pull every time, offering peace of mind to those who prioritize safety in their firearms. Its adjustable sights make targeting easy, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfort even during extended shooting sessions. Unlike many pocket pistols, the Bodyguard 380's slide locks back after the last round, a feature that many experienced shooters appreciate for safety and convenience. While the Bodyguard 380 may not be the smallest 380 pistol on the market, its thoughtful design prioritizes user comfort and reliability, making it a highly dependable choice for everyday carry. With prices ranging from $400 to $500, the MP Bodyguard 380 is an accessible option for both first-time gun owners and experienced carriers alike. It strikes an impressive balance between affordability and performance, making it an excellent value for its features. Whether you're investing in your first concealed carry pistol or looking to upgrade to something more dependable, the Bodyguard 380's blend of durability, ease of use, and modern features ensures it stands out in a crowded market. Its reliability and versatility make it a top contender for anyone serious about personal protection. 2. Ruger LCP II. When it comes to pocket pistols, the Ruger LCP II has set the standard for reliability and ease of use. An upgrade from the original LCP, the LCP II features a smoother trigger pull, improved sights, and a more robust grip texture that offers a firm hold even in stressful situations. Weighing just 10.6 ounces unloaded, it's one of the lightest options available, making it perfect for those who prioritize comfort, ease of concealment, and portability without compromising on functionality. Whether you're carrying it in a pocket, purse, or waistband holster, its compact design ensures it remains discreet and accessible. The trigger on the LCP II is a standout feature, offering a short and crisp pull that significantly improves accuracy and user confidence. Its slide operation is notably smooth and easy to rack, which makes it a practical choice for shooters of all experience levels, including those with limited hand strength. This ease of operation, paired with its intuitive controls, ensures quick and reliable performance when it matters most. While its magazine holds only 6 rounds, Ruger also offers an optional extended magazine that provides an additional round and improves grip comfort for those with larger hands. This added versatility enhances its appeal for a broader range of users. Priced between $350 and $450, the Ruger LCP II is a fantastic option for those seeking a reliable, ultra-compact pistol without breaking the bank. Its affordability, combined with Ruger's reputation for quality and innovation, makes it a top contender in the concealed carry market. Beyond its price, the LCP II's robust build, consistent performance, and user-friendly features make it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable firearm that excels in both form and function. Whether you're a seasoned gun owner or a first-time buyer, the Ruger LCP II delivers exceptional value and peace of mind. 1. Glock 42. The Glock 42 takes the top spot for good reason. It's the epitome of reliability, simplicity, and ease of use. As Glock's smallest and lightest pistol, the G42 is a perfect concealed carry option for those who trust the Glock brand. At just 0.94 inches wide and weighing 14 ounces unloaded, it is slim enough to carry comfortably, whether in a waistband holster or a pocket, yet it remains robust enough to handle recoil effectively. Even during extended shooting sessions, this pistol performs consistently, offering a smooth and reliable experience. The G42's sights are larger and more visible than those found on many other pocket pistols, giving it a significant edge in accuracy. These sights make it easy to acquire a target quickly, even in low-light conditions, which is a critical feature in self-defense situations. Its polymer frame and tenifer-coated slide ensure durability and excellent corrosion resistance, meaning it can withstand the rigors of daily carry in various environments. Additionally, the Glock Safe Action System, a hallmark of the brand, ensures consistent and dependable trigger performance. The pistol's simplicity and intuitive design mean there are fewer moving parts to worry about, reducing the likelihood of malfunctions. What truly sets the Glock 42 apart is its versatility and ease of maintenance. It disassembles quickly for cleaning and has a reputation for handling a wide range of .380 ACP ammunition reliably. With prices ranging from $450 to $550, the Glock 42 offers excellent value for its combination of quality, reliability, and user-friendly features. Whether you're a seasoned Glock enthusiast looking for a compact addition to your arsenal or a first-time buyer seeking a dependable concealed carry option, the G42 stands out as a top-tier choice for 2025. Its lightweight frame, precision engineering, and trusted name make it a firearm you can count on when it matters most.